cha thì mình xua vào đặc nên chúng mùi là cùng một đòn tiết đang không hại bị sang liền còn buồn cha thì bữa giờ nó sụp bài tế ở con vật ong là yêu như là ca bán của chúng đi sai cái mây hai này phòng đai này cùng mình đến mũi là đại đạo xong trên pi unit 4 nè hạt xì cho nên grammar đây grammar bao nhiêu EMP present perfect vs present ở xung đột vs simple past cha vs simple past chẳng muốn cho từ đó ca này của mình vô pi ca pra rồi vi present perfect cho mùi là simple past nó trong mình vô côn tại tôn cho mùi là pi thằng vs chẳng vì em nó chỉ bị sang khai bên thằng chỉ mùi nè chứ là cái này nếu nghe thay dương pra present perfect chỉ mùi nó simple past nên thay dương pra cho mùi kia nó không phải bỏ cái không ăn thì gì được ca pra chỉ phải dội nó cứ dương pra cho mùi kia nè chẳng chân cho từ đó ca để dương score hàng pi present perfect cho mùi kia sinh thata present perfect cứ chỉ với hai khi pra sẽ làm before niệm pi ấy chẳng chứ dùng mơ từ ác gì nhưng của bạn sẽ pi ca pra bỏ present perfect Just present perfect ki pratha use the present perfect to describe events or experiences at unspecified time in the past. Chẳng chứ nó không anh này chỉ sao khác này tha. Dương pra present perfect được cóปัจจุบันการบริโภคนั้นระบายปีพอนี้ปีปฏิกา event มันทำปฏิกา or experiences นี่ทำบัตรพิเศษไปเนาะจังแต่ต้องจมูกในปฏิกาหรือบัตรพิเศษยืนได้บัตรพิเศษมันที่ทำไว้เดี๋ยวบันเอาไว้เดี๋ยวยืนคลอบันเฟ้อจนลองดูบุกทางนะเนาะ at unspecified times นะคะจะเนื้อขนมจะเนื้อขนมเปรี้ยวลีมันแฉะแหละหรือก็การมันเป็นแฉะเปรี้ยวลีกับปลาหลอดตีเนื้อขนมpresent perfect จังมาดองเตียนนะยังปรา present perfect ดับไปปีปอร์นี่ยังปีปฏิกาหรือก็บัตรพิเศษได้บางการเราคงอาศัยตะการได้มันเป็นแฉะปีเปรี้ยวลีปลาหลอดจ้ะจังโดยจีอุติหอบบอกอยู่ have you ever eaten in a fancy restaurants จ้ะจังประโยคนี้คือชื่อถึงรง present perfect หรอจ้ะเดี๋ยวสายยังมี have มี verb 3จ้ะจังแต่ต้องจมูกในสมดุลกี่สู้ที่ถึงรง present perfect จังไปได้ยังคลายyes I have จ้ะสอบ I have eaten in a few expensive restaurants yes I have I've eaten in a few expensive restaurants จ้ะยังทลอบให้ยังทลอบอ่านแต่ยังในห้างขายสไลด์ปีใบกระไรได้จ้ะจังแต่ตรงประโยคนี้คือมีทางตายถึงรง present perfect แต่มวยเดียตอนโจเราคง past simple ดีจ้ะแล้วอยู่ตัวดอกการปลาต่อไปก็จะ past simple อีกดอกนะจัง past simple to describe event or experiences จ้ะโดยขณีอาร์ตเคย describe event or experiences โดยขณีบนใต้ใต้ที่เขาเคยตรงนั้น that happen at a specific time in the past จ้ะแต่ต้นจมูกนาง simple past ไว้คือปีพ่อในนี้ยังปีปฏิกาหรือก็บัตรพิเศษได้บางการลายนักนองอัตติการโดยขณีบนใต้ไม่มีเปรี้ยวลีเป็นแฉะจ้ะนักนองปฏิการหนุกโอ้ที่ห่อยังมือหรือขังกระดองนี้จ้ะตากระไรนะวิธีตำรง simple past เจอที่ห่อ have you ever tried frog legs จ้ะจังสนุนนี่คือชีตำรง present perfect บนใต้ในไปได้กี่คลายตาเป็นยินไอ้นักนองหนังยังมืออักนี้นะ no I haven't but my brother tried them once a few months ago จ้ะจังยังมือนะเคลียร์ที่ม้วนกี่ส่วนปีกี่ส่วนได้ปรา present perfect บนใต้ในไปได้กี่คลายจ้ะ no I haven't ด้วยที่มีคลิปจวบอย่าง my brother tries them once a few months ago จังยังมือตาเป็นปีกหลายนะได้เป็นเจ้าอัมปีเปเวลีจ้ะเป็นเจ้าอัมปีเปเวลีคือ a few months ago มีทับปีใบไข่กันล้อมพัดตะแคงจ้ะจังยังเดินทางประโยคที่ปีวิกุชี past simple จ้ะยังอัตราตรง present perfect ที่ยังตราตรง past simple ได้ตรา verb to จมูกหนึ่ง time expression จ้ะแล้วเป็นวิธีนะแต่ต้องจมูกหนึ่งปราตรง simple past อุทิศสมมติ this like them มีท่าต่อปีประโยคกันเยอะ like I don't think so he's got sick later that night มีท่าขยมthis like them มีท่าปัดโจจัดดีออสก็จะจัดงานtrườngไก่นางออสของปัดทางchung mình cần trong đấy cho mình cần trong cái buổi khi got sick later that night มีท่าquạt ban trướcต่อปีquạtงานหนังtrườngไก่นางกายประโยคนั้นจ้ะประโยคnàyนจ้ะจังเวียเป็นแจกปี simple past เจ้าหน้าที่กองการจะบ้าเยอะเหมือนปีหลงห้าดับเอาเยอะในกลุ่มบ้านđại kỷ lụcห้าอายุกันออกนี้นำไปอายุไอปรา present perfect จมูกนาง simple past ป่าจังหลงห้าบ่เยอะที่เอาเยอะผมเป็น present perfect ให้นาง simple past จังยืมมือการสื่อสารบ่เยอะออกนี้เด้อแต่ยังกูผมเป็นอย่างไม่เยอะ mười chục kia cái đó number one cái áo dùng một pin cái này you ever hai mình bị không bùi cho xí ở với tái dân thu bồng pin ví dụ ní đã ra tầm rung present perfect được simple hả chả bà ta là cụ thì đợt mới là cụ khinh thang lại cứ miên ever chẳng dương khi đang thêm thang vì tôi chỉ tầm rung present perfect chẳng nhưng cụ tầm miên ấy cái này bị mốc chả cứ have you ever tao verb verb one rồi còn verb two rồi còn verb three dạ thì dùng tra verb three chẳng to một tiền B chẳng slide to no I didn't slide them đúng present perfect today no I haven't but I gave I have didn't slide them đúng vì anh miền về bị chạm này hàng trong sentence thế cứ nâng cái tầm rung present perfect today cứ I want I always so I wanted that verb three I wanted and a chứ have always wanted to nhưng mà trong nhưng mà đa từ nhưng mình ở have you ever saw ở đó là no I haven't thật nhưng mình lọc ăn từ thế but I have always wanted to ta nhưng mà trong từ mưa này nữa chứ mà lại pi mà đó cả dân khu một pi bài nói dân ăn thì dùng từ audition you do anything fun last weekend nhà dân mưa ví dụ ní cứ miên việt hàng trong kia bị bịa đại mình chạy bị time expression the last weekend giống như đăng thêm thà ta ví dụ như những cô pra simple past rồi còn present perfect dạ chứ simple past unspecific time nè cái tay simple past chúng tôi present perfect cứ mean unspecific time này simple past cứ mean specific time cho cái mean bịa mình chạy về lý cho những pra đúng simple past cứ did you do anything fun last weekend yes là dùng apply cho tụi đồng hàng được nhé yes I did I đang lại đi nhưng pra vừa bị chịu thì chào một cụ chân cố là chủ về chẳng chẳng ở ní cứ chia làm no một cái ho này là của bạn lương nhưng mà của cố này của sự không thay nhưng ai chơi pra tụi đồng present perfect chỉ mùi nâng simple bàn đầu trầm trớ được trong can này dây được còn trong can sẽ chia ví dụ này chào con trans là thay này con ăn chơi room xong pra tiền cô